As many a wedding planner will attest, wedding favors are often left behind on the tables at the receptions and either guests forget or never bother to take one. Here's a tip: if you want to ensure a high favor takeability rate, gift the guests with something edible and delicious, such as truffles, cookies, or popcorn. Once you've picked out a favor, you've got to figure out how many to order. Should you order one for every person on the guest list? Here's what to factor in to arrive at an actual number.
Couples and families only get one, sometimes. If you're giving an item that's pricey, such as a silver photo frame, count that as one per couple or family household. If the favor is edible, like candy or nuts, plan on giving one to each guest. You should also give one favor per person if it's DIY, like a bookmark. You can cut out the bridal party. A favor is given to thank guests for attending your wedding. Presumably you've given your bridesmaids and groomsmen something grander, like a silk robe or custom bow tie. If so, there's no need to give them favors too. But don't cut out your parents. It doesn't matter what it is, your parents will want one as a keepsake. If you're handing out food or drink, remind your mom that, unlike your love for her, the favor has an expiration date. Save one for the groom's mother for the same sentimental reasons. It's hard to factor in the non-takers. It's tricky to try to predict how many guests will ignore their gift. Even if the favor is the most scrumptious chocolates that are handmade individually and flown in that morning from Switzerland, some people still won't take it. But there's no way of knowing ahead of time, so you're safer following the suggestions above rather than picking a random percentage to cut from the guest list number.